Who's seen the newest celebrity nail trend, Milkbath mayonnaise? I saw a recent mani from Madonna where she did this gorgeous milky white Milkbath mani and she skipped out on flowers, which are typically put in Milkbath mayonnaise, and I thought, oh my gosh, as soon as I got this kit from Rosalind and there was this gorgeous milky white, I knew exactly what mani I wanted to do next. The very first thing I did was I prepped my nails. I did that off camera, so my nails are already prepped. And I also put peel base on my nails since I change them so often. So if you aren't putting peel base on your manis, you'll want to do your normal prep, add dehydrator to your nails, and then a gel bond since we are going to be using gel here. I started with one coat just to see how thick it would be and how opaque this color would be. This is my first time using Rosalind's color gels, and I've been super impressed. Some of the things that I look for when I'm trying new gels are, how do the colors apply? Do they apply really nicely and evenly, or is the color kind of splotchy? Do they apply too thick? Are they too runny? And Rosalind checked off all my boxes for these. Anytime that you see me do a review of a nail company, of a product, I'm always going to give you my 100% honest opinion. Whether they send it to me for free or not, I am always going to tell you the truth about what I think about this. So I did my first coat of the white and thought it just wasn't quite opaque enough. Like it's supposed to be like a sheer cut of mani since it has the Milkbath name, but you don't want it to be so sheer that you can see right through it. And two coats ended up being exactly enough. Whenever you're applying gels, you want to make sure that you start a little bit away from your cuticle and then push it back while your brush fans out and then drag down towards the end of your nail tip. This way you're not going to flood your cuticles. Then I always make sure that I go around my cuticles with a little bit of isopropyl alcohol on a nail cleanup tool, because you never want to cure your nails with any gel left on your skin. Curing your nails with gel left on your skin often leads to gel allergies, and with all the beautiful nail gels out there, we do not want to do that. Once I'm done applying my regular color gels and then curing them, then I go through with a layer of gel base on all of my nails, making sure that I cap my edges. That just keeps your mani from peeling up, and then cure that for 60 seconds. Then you'll go with gel top coat on all of your nails, cure that for 60 seconds as well. And whenever you're applying gel base and gel top, you do want to make sure you cap your edges with both the gel base and the gel top. Again, all this does, especially if you're doing your nails at home and you want them to last for a while, or even if you like to change them a lot, it keeps your gel from peeling. Gel top always needs some kind of gel base and sticky, like residue, I guess you want to call it, from the gel to keep the top coat from peeling. If you like this tutorial on how I did Milkbath nails, check out my next tutorial on how to do some easy gel nail art. Thanks for joining me today, nail crew.